Hello, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to trim an image in Photoshop in just a few clicks. Whether you're working on digital art, photography, or graphic design, this trick will save you time. Let's get started. First, open your image in Photoshop. If you have unwanted transparent or solid colored areas, trimming helps remove them instantly. Now, go to Image, Trim. From the top menu, this opens the Trim dialog box, where you'll see different options. Here, you can choose what Photoshop should trim. Transparent pixels removes all empty space. Top left pixel color trims based on a solid background color. Bottom right pixel color, similar but uses the bottom right color as a reference. Once you press OK, Photoshop instantly removes the extra space, leaving you with a perfectly trimmed image. And that's it, a super quick way to trim images in Photoshop. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome Photoshop tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.